uthini uthi chat later uthi chat later ne awusazi noma uthi okay noma uthi alright okay usho ukuthi alright kodwa sekuphela 6 hours lo later ngani kunini bake bangishaya chat later hayi ngimne ngabhala nga 2 AM ngathi sala kubi ngulate bangiphendula kawusana uthi chat later yeka hayi bhalela omunye